We've got improvement. One of the improvements I talked about on Friday was that we were going to try and use some of our feedback to improve the signals, and that's exactly what happened. It's called dynamic prompting. What that does is it takes the feedback, we say, hey, good trade, bad trade. It takes that data, and then ChatGPT reads it and says, okay, based on the data that I have collected that is signaled to me every minute, and then the feedback you just gave me, here's my new recommendation. And that happens every 60 seconds every time that we rank it. And that really helped us catch solid moves today. Now, unfortunately, TradingView had its errors today. The ATR was so high, the market was so crazy, they probably had a surge of people logging into their accounts. And so what happened is they shut off their alerts for a little bit. And then what they did is they locked everybody out of their alerts. And so I tried to reset my alerts a couple times. It ended up giving me like 3 and 4 alerts at a time. And so we had a period of time where there were no signals and then a period of time where there were a ton of signals, but it was for one candle. So we get like 3 or 4 signals for one candle. It was kind of obnoxious. And so we take today with a grain of salt, but overall really positive. I saw that my feedback was helping the system signal high quality stuff. And we were early to some trades and we weren't as late as we typically were with the system, which I think is a huge improvement. So a lot of really good to be positive about today. We'll see how tomorrow goes and we'll try to build off that. I am working on getting you guys free access to this so that we should be able to do that maybe by the end of the week. You guys can test it out with me. You can grade trades with me. We can trade together. So stay tuned for that. Damn, price is really getting smacked. Let's go sell right there. Wait for these bad boys to start cranking on signals again. Stop. Okay, we're up to 376. That little scalp right there. I can't even make a new alert. I mean, just whole site is down. Frick, man. We'll trade naked. That's fine. It's the price action to do it. Up 5. Well, this stinks, doesn't it? Like, oh, there's a signal, I think. I think I got one. There we go. Got one. Got one going. Let's see if I can make another one really fast. Alert maintenance. We are doing some brief daily maintenance. Okay. Bad signal. Another one? I don't think I'm getting another one here. I don't know how we got that one. Market's back down. Got nothing for crypto. There's one. Okay. We back? Are the boys back or what? Can't tell. We'll call this one a bad one. We'll call that one a bad one as well. I'm basically getting duplicate signals. So, and then that one wasn't great either. All right. 32. Long. Oh, I didn't hold it long enough. That's on me. Okay. Good signal here, 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 and here. Getting the same signal over and over and over. No, you stay connected. Where are all my alerts? That's the question. Okay, so we give ChatGPT that positive feedback. That's good. And we'll get a new signal here in 3 seconds. Thanks for hanging in there with me. Okay, we got a couple strong signals here. Let's wait for pullback. Let's go right there. Go long off of that. Stop. Let's see what we have here. Okay, we're up 898 in this account. Oh, we could have been up like $500 in that trade. Good trade though. Still can't see my signals just yet. I only have the 1 minute on, but that might be okay for now. ATR is, I can't tell what the ATR is. Not on, actually, yes, I can. It's at 148. It's obnoxious. New signal here in 3 seconds. Thanks for bearing with me. Okay, possible reversal. Am I getting 4 signals? I'm gonna take that sell right there. We're up 9. I'm being way, well, not way too, but I'm being pretty cautious on these because I know price might want to come back and turn around. I also know that the ATR is ridiculous right now, so I want to be pretty quick with these. But come on, man, I can't see anything right now. I can't get any of my signals. We're literally, each candle is like, if it's a red candle, we go back red. If it's a green candle, we go back green. What a wonderful day to be here and just, we have an emergency Fed meeting today as well. I don't know if that's going to produce any fruit for us, but we'll get the minutes on that released. 2 seconds, 1 second here, shortly as well. So sell signal. Let's go sell right there. Okay, we're up 1,000 in this account. That's good. Really wanted to be in this trade for longer. I thought we would get price to roll faster though. Kind of like that. Okay. Well, I've got too many signals now. I keep getting the same. Frick, we could be up like 2 grand in this account if we'd stayed in company trades a little longer. Got a feeling we're gonna get too much here. Let's see. Okay, price back down, good. Sell right there, stop. Good. All right, we're up 1458 in this account, so we'll have to switch to another one. The good stuff there. I don't think we lost a trade in this account. Granted, it wasn't too difficult, but I don't think we lost any trades here. Okay, good. Slip it over. New account. We'll call all these signals bad to kind of let ChatGPT know, hey, we're kind of turning around here a little bit. All right, Tradingview has gotten its bearings. I probably should have just kept with everything and let it do its thing, but I couldn't tell that ChatGPT or Tradingview was bugging. Okay, I got a couple weak signals here. I should get 3 though, just for, good measure, I guess. Okay, we'll wait for these signals to kind of go through. I don't have anything confident yet. Let's mark these as bad just to start. I really would like to show you guys like in, real time, kind of what this is looking like and how it's working, but really can't at the moment. each one of the signals, these are actually pretty good. We'll wait to leave them there. Each time we rank one of these, we give it feedback to ChatGPT. From there, it adjusts the signal that it gives us, and that allows us to. These are actually really good signals. That allows ChatGPT to predict better for us. So very excited about this. Let's see what we got here. Strong. Let's go sell right there. This one could blow up, but let's see. ATR definitely has come down a lot, quite a bit. Okay, we're down 250 in this account, 240. All right. I wish I would have gotten the chance to doing some brief maintenance work. I bet you are. But at least I have some signals coming through. Okay. We're gonna call these bad signals unless price explodes down, which I doubt it will. Not more than this. Shit, I guess it kind of is, but it's pulling back. We'll call it a bad signal there. Let's see what it does with this. Okay, long, short. Okay. Let's see if we can get a stop or a sell right here and get price to accelerate a little bit. Nope. Damn. All right. Tried it. We failed it. Good, bad. Should have waited on that one. I really didn't have any conviction on that anyway, but okay. Markets are back down almost 2%. The Nasdaq is. S&P is down over 2. I mean, there was a chance to get some nasty liquidity right there if you had any positions open. Okay. New signal here. Long. Short. Just wait. Long, short, long. Long signals look good. I still can't adjust. I basically have 3 1-minute signals coming in at a time. So I really can't do much with this yet. So we'll just have to sit back and let that wait, but you can still trade through it. Okay. My ATR is sitting at, it's still loading. My computer, I can tell though. Sitting at 129, so we're definitely coming down, which is good. All right, 41, I have a long. Take that right there. Let's see if we can get price to run for us a bit. Nope. Damn, we have like $100 left in this account that we can work with. Nope and no. Okay. Pretty confident signals there, but not enough for us to do anything with them. Okay, kind of a weird start to our morning, huh? See if we can get some movement here. 42. Looks like we got a nice little bit of chop. I have a buy signal. I have a stronger sell signal. We'll take the sell. Let's just see what happens here. No sense in putting a stop because it's like $100, $50. Yeah, there it is. All right, so out of this account, that was huge. How did we get run on like that? That's crazy. Well, here's our third account. jump into that one. Good signal, bad signal, bad signal. For some reason, all three of these signals come in at different weightings, so we got to figure that out. Okay. Probably need to go 3 micros here to just kind of relax. Okay, so up 1,500 on one account, down 13 in another. God, third account's going to do us here. Sell signal, long signal, and let's go bad, good, bad. Guess we're only getting 2 this time. All right, my 2-minute must be on. I must be getting 2 1 minutes and a 2-minute. That's got to be what it is. It's got to be what it is. But still no way to adjust. Oh, okay, I see. So market dropped off. The 90-day pause was fake news, is what Trump said. Okay, but we still have price really. So market's down pretty good. Okay, long signal here. Pretty terrible entry again. It's kind of a name of the game right now. Thought we would get price to really roar for us. Damn, we're down what? 314. That's huge. We'll wait to see what this one brings us though. Not sure if it's a bad signal yet or not. Good signal, man. These wicks are just massive. That's all it is. The wicks are huge. That stinks that we got into that one, unfortunately. Okay, new signal here. Long. Damn. Had a chance to maybe get profitable on that. I really thought price was gonna like scream up though, so I didn't think I had to be quick with my stop there. Turns out I did have to be, so that stinks. Still good signals. They're all really good signals. Just frick. All right, there we go. We got in on some value finally. Let's see if we can get some help by this candle here. If that stop gets hit, we're out. This account's blown. Or the first half of it is, I guess. Yeah, I mean, there's just nothing we can do with this right now. There's just nothing we can do. Log out. Let's get into our demo account while the ATR is obnoxiously high. So we got it right on a couple trades, got it wrong on a couple others, got it right on some more, but ultimately the ATR is just too high for us to really do anything with in that account. Really just go 2, I guess. Sell signal, yeah, and there it goes. I'm pissed because we had a chance to do something nice with this. Let's see if we can run up our paper money account while we're here. Any way for me to get my alerts back? So I've got a couple alerts coming through. And so I'd like to be able to adjust that. So hopefully that comes back up before we're out of here. Yeah. ATR is still at 121, so still a lot of work for us to do. Sell signal. We'll take a sell on two micros here. Let's see what we got here. I don't think I've ever been up or down this much on two micros. So that's $200 there. Okay. Got to be a little bit more responsible here with these trades, I guess, since we've got um, pretty low confidence score trades here. I want to get more into these signals and like really give them a test drive, but it's hard when the ATRs and these candles are moving as fast as they are. Because ultimately, these signals really we're getting the right direction. We're just getting smoked because of the wicks being so high. I don't know if this is an accurate signal or not. It doesn't look like it's going to be, but see if we can trade it 75% or better. Okay, 49. There's a long. See if price can run for us a little bit. Oh, come on. Man, nothing. Are you serious? Oh, wow. Okay. 50 gave me a long signal as well. Enter right. Oh, enter right there. Oh my gosh. Good. Nice. Nice. Over $800 on that trade. That's really nice. That was huge. We accidentally went 4 contracts instead of 2, but it worked out for us. We waited patiently and it worked out for us. So good trade there. Good there. Bad signal there. Okay. We're going to get a nice reversal here. So let's just be patient. Yeah, ATR being at 100, it's just like record stuff, you know? I've lost my sight altogether. Okay, there we go. $52. I have a week long signal, a week long signal, and a weakish short signal. We'll rank them all bad and we'll see what happens. Okay. Looks like you're going to be pretty good. All right. A strong sell right there. Stop. Okay. We're up 730 in this account. Technically, these are bad signals. Okay. We'll have a long here, pretty high confident long there. We'll take it. Okay, good trade there. We're up 900 bucks in this account. Good. Good, good, and good. All of you guys were good. Still can't edit my alerts yet, so just is what it is there. Okay. Good stuff there. Really strong long signals here. Let's see if we can squeeze out some profit. I know price might want to reverse down. Thought my entry would be okay. Nope. Prices are really moving for us. We're up 730 in this account. Mm-mm-mm. New signal time. Weak long, strong sell. Take a sell right there. $100 on that one. Nice. Okay. Got a bunch of strong sell signals here. I'll take one right there. Let's just see what happens. Let's put that stop right here. So far, these are bad signals. Let's see if that can change. Yeah, nothing. We wait. Okay. Couple new signals here. We'll rank these. Good signal there. What's up with the markets right now? We're up a little bit. It's crazy. I can't believe we're actually up. That's wild. Crude oil is back $61 a barrel. 10 years above. Damn. ATR starting to cool off a little bit at 94 or 5. That's just crazy. Can I adjust my alerts yet? Nope. Okay, I have a week long or week short. Week short. Okay. Kind of just waiting around here. Long here, long, 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 and long. See if these are going to be right. Okay. Long signal here. See if we can find our nice little bottom here and take a long off of that. So far, these are bad signals though. Okay. Small victory there. I say small, but it's actually pretty big for two micros. It's still 77 point. I mean, that's just crazy, crazy movement here. Okay. I have another long signal here. Kind of nervous about this one. I'll take it right there. Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking might happen there. Yeah. We're up 5. Okay. Really weak long signal. Good. Short signal. See if we can get price to continue on its trend down. There we go. Nice. Back up 755. Really good signal there. Sell signal. Enter right there. See if we can catch kind of that top. .30 stop wasn't enough. Still up 610. This thing still might come down though. Nice. Nice, John. Nice, nice, nice. We hit the 50% consistency rule goal on one of our top step accounts. Lost 1,000 on 2 other ones, and then now we're up 600 bucks on this fourth. This is our demo account though. So well, that signal wasn't great, now was it? I really thought price was going to run down here. Still might, but it's a bad signal. I'm better off as a long. I guess that's a pretty good short signal. 70. Nothing really there. 611. Yeah, we haven't traded very well in this account. 18 trades. 477 is our biggest win. That's really helped us out. Biggest loss being 220. Just a lot of movement here. A lot of price. Alan, yeah, it's a crazy day. Today's an obnoxious day. Markets are barely up right now. That signal's gone. I can't touch it. Good, good, good for both of those. Oh, that's really good. Good stuff. Okay. We're still having issues with Tradingview. I can't adjust my signals, so we're getting like 3 signals at a time. Um, can't do much with it right now. Trying to fix it, but just not a whole lot we can do. So let's see how the next ones come through here. NASDAQ is now even and down, maybe. See what this candle brings us. Got myself a sell signal. Sell right there. Stop. I have a feeling this thing's going to run up quite a bit. Let's see if we can handle some of this before it. Nice. Nice. Back up 674. Damn, that was a really good signal. We didn't take advantage of any of that. Price coming back down. Still a strong sell signal here. I want to jump into it, but I just feel like it's so far gone already that we just really wouldn't have a chance to make any money on it. Assuming it doesn't go green, this is still a good signal. Market's back down 0.3. Let's back up a little bit. Okay. All right. Market's actually back up. So these are bad signals now. Again, got some issues with TradingView and their signal is right and their alerts right now. So not much we can really do. Have to just deal with it. All in all, not a bad day. Definitely dealt with some chop, but not terrible. All right. So week long signal here. Or week short signal, week long signal. All right. So we'll wait to see which one of these is actually correct. Looking like this. But this kind of let me know that price is probably done going down right here, probably ready to roll back up. I have to guess. I mean, this is just historic stuff. VWAP is right here. I can't believe like after all this, we're back basically at VWAP. It's just nuts. Okay. Long. Another long. I'll take a long right there. Feels like it could be a setup for me to get smoked, but out of that one, up 676. Man, can't get any movement. Okay. Week long signal here. Strong short signal here. Sell right there. Move our stop, kind of like right up here. It doesn't get hit. I think it's going to. Damn it. Yeah, we're up 4 something. 450. Okay. Hmm. Wow. Sell. Long. Long. Wait to see what's what. Market's back up decently. S&P is still down, but the Nasdaq's flying. Crude oil still down. Our 10 years up 3%. That's ridiculous. Whoa. What happened here? Okay. Didn't expect that one. Good thing we didn't take a trade there. Markets are back down. Look, this candle is enormous. This candle where markets are back down to 1.5%. Holy. Sell. See if we can ride some of this momentum. Nope. Possible reversal. I would probably agree with that. What the hell just happened? Yeah, it's kind of what I thought was gonna happen here, but it took a whole minute for that thing to move. All right. See what this next candle wants to give us. Sell. Yeah, bad choice by us here. Up 125. We fucked that up, didn't we? I mean, this is just crazy town. I can't rank these for some reason. Okay, new signals here. Weak, long. Hmm. Tradingview is just all over the place. I mean, they can't get it together at all. Sell signal, sell signal. It's just a bad day for technology for me, I guess. What the frick? Holy Earth, what's going on? Okay. New signal time. Sell. Got a lot of sell signals here. Let's put our stop kind of above like candle high right here. Let's just see if we can ride this down a little bit. Not really. We're at 148. Wow. Okay. We definitely have price rolling back up here off that big drop. That's for sure. Week long signal. Stronger. Strong sell signal. Haven't really passed this level up here. It's VWAP. We did touch VWAP. That's interesting. Roll back up. That's interesting. Could it be a time? Let's see. This is a mistake. I'm way too heavy in this trade. Whoops. Long signal. Okay, so I was right. Just early as hell. Down 400 bucks. Okay. Hmm. Still can't fix our signals yet, so we kind of just have a weird day right now. Too many, like an overload of signals. Okay. Probably would impact our success rate if I had to guess a little. Okay. Back to VWAP or no? VWAP's like right around here. 17,100 is pretty strong. Have long signal, short signal. Just wait a second on this trade here. Sell. Probably a bit early, but let's just see. Let's back down just $32. Good trade there. VWAP right here. Okay. Another sell signal. I wanted to push that button, but I just wasn't sure we're going to get that movement. Okay, we'll wait. Nice. Your signal in about 10 seconds. Let's see. Sell. Going to wait here. I like the signals, but I'm just going to wait. Unfortunately, I didn't feel like if I got in, I'd have a decent advantage of getting a solid bit of profit here. I feel like I'd get in a little bit too late and do reverse on me. Good. ATR sitting at 100 again, so a lot of movement here. Damn, that was a great signal. Okay, we're approaching this bottom here, so let's be patient. Sell signal. Got in a little late on this one. Let's see. Can't won't let me place my stop yet. Oh man, neither one. Nice. We're up 300 bucks on that one. 238 again. Signals appear to be off somehow. Got nothing from Tradingview either. Can't be trading that well in this account either. Almost 70%, not terrible. Not horrific, not great, but not horrific. Ow. All right. I can't change anything. 28, 27? Nothing? Okay. Well, not a whole lot here. All right, we can go ahead and call it for today. I don't know what's going on with TradingView. I can't get any more signals from it. I'm not sure what's going on. So we'll just have to kind of wait instead of trying to play back and forth with this. Not a horrible day, not great. We tested out the dynamic prompting, which is basically giving this feedback to ChatGPT and having it signal better trades, and that did work out decently. Once we got settled in a little bit, we were able to crank out some trades, but it just took us maybe a little longer than we wanted it to. So we were good in the beginning, got chopped out in the middle, good in the afternoon. So solid stuff. More to do, but happy with our progress here. Hopefully we can get some like free logins this week. Let you guys test that out a little bit, get some feedback, and we'll go from there. So that's kind of on my plate of to do for this week. So we'll see how that goes. If you guys have questions, let me know. But if not, I will see you guys tomorrow with hopefully all of our technology working as it should. See you guys. Peace.